Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see the unboxing of Watch 7 Active. Okay, so this is black color. Okay, and as you can see here in the box, you can do call making, 100 plus exercise mode, crisp and clear AMOLED display, and long-term battery life. Okay, so the battery life is approximately about 10 days. Okay, and so today we are going to see the unboxing and pairing up with the phone. Okay, let's look at the unboxing now. Okay guys, now let's look at the watch. Okay, so that's the watch, guys. Okay, so if you see, when I open the watch, okay, it says live your life a smarter way. Okay, so now let's grab this part. Okay, and also the front side. Oh, so look at how beautiful it is, guys. It's the watch. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so in the box, two compartments here. Here you have your charger, and here you have the manuals. Okay, let's keep all this aside. Let's look at the watch itself. Okay, so you have two buttons in your side, right side. Okay, there's no buttons over here. Okay, and let's see how we turn it on. Is it the lower button? Nope, I think it's the upper button. Okay, so to turn on is this button. So once you're in, okay, it asks you for your language. So there's English, Indonesia. Okay, that's it, English. Okay, now it asks us to scan. Okay, I've downloaded the Mi app, Mi Fitness app. Okay, so you go to devices, add a device, or maybe you can just go to the plus sign up there, scanner, allow while using the app. Okay, now let's just scan the code. Okay, so it has detected. Just click there and it's connecting. So just wait a while. Okay, so pair, connected. Okay, the watch asks us to pair, confirm in the phone. Okay, done. That's it, it's paired. Okay, so what it shows is that press the up button here to open the list of apps, press the down button and start a workout. Okay, next, swipe left to view different widgets. Okay, customize widget on your phone. Next, swipe down to view notifications. Okay, swipe up to open control center. Okay, done. So it's done. Okay, so sync all notifications, select notifications, select which apps can deliver notifications to your device. You go to settings. Okay, so you need to go to Mi Fitness, allow notifications, I'm aware. Okay, so I want my messages. Okay, and basically I want to see my WhatsApp messages. There's my WhatsApp. Yep, get it done. Okay, when your phone receives an incoming call, your device will also notify you. Allow access to contacts. Okay, so I do allow access to contacts. Okay, next is update available. So we just have to update, download. Okay, hey guys, so as you can see, the download has completed. Okay, so let's connect back. Okay, so once we have connected, we can see here the battery life is 72%. Okay, the app notifications is on, receive only when the phone is locked. Okay, I do not wake the screen. Okay, no need to mirror the phone. Okay, incoming calls. Okay, show contact info. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, heart rate, continuous monitoring. I think every 30 minutes should do. Sleep, advanced monitoring. I on it. Blood oxygen during sleep is the best. So I put it every 30 minutes. Okay, stress, all day monitoring. Standing. So there's a stand alert. If you're sitting down for 1 hour, it'll alert you to stand. Okay. Yeah, also on the stretching alert. Okay, Xiomi Pay. So it asks you to set a pin. Okay, let me just set the pin, guys. So you can add a bank card. I think this function is not working in Malaysia so far. You can see the add card is not there. Oops. Okay, alarm. Sync alarms from phone. Okay, so my phone alarms will go to the watch. Then we have the weather app here. So I want weather updates. Let's look at workouts. Okay, auto running. Okay, treadmill will be my first choice. And also pool swimming, yes. Okay, first treadmill, second pool swimming. These two things I do always. Let's look at the widgets. Okay, I'm okay with the widgets. Okay, app layout. I prefer grid. Okay, so it's a grid. Race to wake. Okay, so usually race to wake I'll always schedule it. Okay, so I want it to race at 7 a.m. and end at 10 o'clock. Okay, it's cool. Or should I just off race to wake and turn on always on? Okay, let's go to next. Okay, it's no sleep mode, exercise shortcut. Okay, it also has emergency SOS, so I'm going to turn this on. Okay, now let's go back to the watch. Okay, I want to have always on display, so I have to go here. Let's go to the watch settings. Okay guys, okay, watch faces. You see all the watch faces here. Okay, this is the standard Xiaomi watch face. I go back there, headphones, Wi-Fi, sound, brightness. Usually I go to brightness level 2, it's enough. Okay, next will be workout, pin, Bluetooth. Okay, display, always on display, on. Yep. Okay, so now I have my always on display. Okay, I usually keep this on. I don't use race to wake. Okay, I only wake up the phone when I want to see what I want to see. Okay, so now let's go back to settings. Okay, so brightness in the level 2. Okay, Bluetooth and all not. Okay, display I've already on the always on. Okay, let's look at the vibration. Wow, strong is very strong. I think I'll go for strong. Okay, it's good. No, it's too strong, I think. Let's go to default again. I think default is also okay. Okay, about watch. Okay, now to change your home screen, you hold for about 3 seconds on your watch. Okay, you can see all the watch faces. These are all the default watch faces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's look at this. Wow, let's look at that, guys. Okay, so each time when I on my watch, boom. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. Great. What is this? Some funny thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we already seen this. Okay, let's look at infograph. Okay, this looks good. You have your steps, you have your weather. Okay, and let me go here. This one. This is to raise to wake. Do not disturb. You have your torch. Okay, So this one will let my screen on for 5 minutes. We have alarms here. Okay, so let's say if I go to alarm, I can add alarm here. Okay, now let's go back. 1 2 3. Okay, great. I think this would be the best, my preference. Okay, as you can see, we can see our battery life. Okay, see our heart rate. I'll show what this two is. Okay, this is our energy we burn, calories. Okay, so when I swipe to my right, I can see steps, heart rate, sleep. Okay, calories I burn, the temperature outside. Here's my workouts. Okay, this is our blood oxygen level. Okay, here it shows the battery, and we have we can control our watch, music here, and also steps. So I think this is great. Okay guys, if you want to know more about gold investment, buying gold as low as 10 ringgit in Malaysia, you can click the link below. And also if you want to know my review, in-depth review after a week of wearing this watch, okay, please comment and I'll do the video. Okay guys, cheers.